Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my presentation. I am Bunga Felicia Dewi, a 12th grade student from SMAN 1 Sambit. Today, I would like to discuss how social media can influence its users. I will divide this presentation into three parts. To start, let's talk a little about social media. Almost everyone has a social media account. On these platforms, we often see others, whether acquaintances or strangers, going on exciting trips, achieving great things, or simply having fun. We can also keep up with the latest news about our favorite celebrities. Witnessing a life that seems so glamorous can affect how a person views their own life. And this is not good for self-esteem. Watching short-form video content, such as reels, from others can negatively affect users. Here are a few reasons why. When people open social media apps on their phones and see updates from friends, such as posts about exciting trips or achievements, they might not realize the negative impact this can have. First, viewing social media content encourages users to compare themselves with other people's photos and posts. This activity can be detrimental because users often do not know this individual deeply. It is easy to forget that other people's lives are not as perfect as they appear online. The habit of comparing oneself to those who seem more successful can affect self-esteem and self-perception and potentially trigger symptoms of depression and mood swings. This impact is particularly pronounced in individuals who tend to be more sensitive to social comparison. If you frequently compare yourself to others in your daily life and place great importance on such comparisons, you run a high risk of feeling inadequate or left behind after or using a social media. Let's move on. The next point, viewing other people's highlight reels on social media can trigger the fear of missing out or FOMO. FOMO is the anxiety that arises from the fear of missing out on social events, trends, or the latest news. For instance, you might worry about missing an exciting event or feel anxious upon hearing that friends went out without inviting you. This can foster feelings of envy toward others, especially those closest to you, regarding activities they are passing in while you are not. Expressing FOMO not only causes mental stress but also has a negative impact on physical health. Those affected often feel tired and stressed and are more prone to sleep disturbance and other physical symptoms. In inclusion, this use of social media has negative impact, such as the tendency to compare oneself with others and the emergence of the FOMO phenomenon. Therefore, in my personal opinion, excessive use of social media has a negative impact on mental and physical health. Thank you for attention. I hope this presentation proves useful to us all. See you next time. Goodbye.